The hair clip is used to secure the audio processor in the hair. To attach the hair clip correctly, hold the device between two fingers. First, open one side of the battery case. Then, open the other side. Open the battery case until the battery is completely visible. Carefully turn the SAMBA upside down, allowing the battery to drop out. Place the SAMBA on an even surface such as a table and put one finger on top. First, lift one side of the cover. Then, lift the other side. Remove the cover completely from the audio processor. Feed the attachment thread through the small notch under the battery case. Press the attachment thread down to fixate it in the audio processor. Use a small pointed object, such as a pencil, for doing this. Place the cover on the SAMBA by positioning the rear side of the cover on the audio processor first. Press the cover down, first on the rear side, then on the front side. Make sure that it snaps into place. Press the sides together to ensure that the cover is securely in position. Insert a battery and close the battery case with two fingers.